today today we are going to discuss exercise 4.1 class 7. Okay, now see question number 1. Complete the last column of the table. See here, one table has been given and the first column comprises of equation, second one is of value, and third one you have to say that whether the equation is satisfied or not. It means whatever values have been given to you, you have to put these values in this equation and then you have to say whether you are able to satisfy this equation or not. What do you mean by satisfy? It means your LHS value should be equal to RHS value. Let's see one by one. First question is x plus 3 is equal to 0. See, first question is x plus 3 is equal to 0. So the equation is what? The value is what? X equal to 3. Here you have to place x equal to 3. So 3 हम इधर रख देंगे plus 3. 3 plus 3 is what? 6, which is not equal to 0. मिलना क्या चाहिए था? 0. लेकिन हमें क्या मिल गया? 6 मिल गया. It means what I can say is this equation is not satisfied. So here I'll be writing no. Why no? Because जब हमने यहाँ पे इसको सॉल्व करा तो हमें तो 6 मिल रहा है, लेकिन हमें क्या मिलना चाहिए था? 0 मिलना चाहिए था. So this equation is not satisfied. Okay, let's move to the second question. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So second question is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and you have to take x equal to 0 here. So let's put x equal to 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. And here it is what? 0. 3 is not equal to 0. This equation is not satisfied. This equation is not satisfied. It means here again no will be coming. Why? क्योंकि 0 हम डाल रहे हैं तो 0 plus 3 तो 3 हो रहा है और यहाँ पे हमें 0 मिलना चाहिए. ओके, तो ये इक्वेशन हमारी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रही है. देन लेट्स सी फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. m upon 3 is equal to 2. m is equal to minus 6. So the equation is m upon 3 is equal to 2 and m का वैल्यू आपको क्या रखना है? -6 रखना है. -6 रखना है. तो देखो -6 इसमें हम अगर प्लेस करेंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा? मैंने अभी पीछे आपको लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको साइन रूल्स बताए थे डिवीजन के. तो 3 2 ज़ा 6 -6, 3 2 ज़ा 6 and this is -6, so the answer will be -2 and here we want the answer to be 2. Okay, so this is not equal to 2. It means this equation is not satisfied. अगर यहाँ पे +6 वैल्यू होता m का तो हमें +2 मिल जाता, तो ये इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाता. लेकिन यहाँ पे -6 है तो इसकी वजह से जो आंसर है वो किस में आ रहा है? नेगेटिव आंसर आ रहा है, माइनस में आ रहा है. सो इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू द ओरिजिनल आंसर दैट इज़ 2. So RHS is not equal to LHS, hence the equation is not satisfied. Okay, hence the value of x is not proper. Okay, तो यहाँ पे भी हम क्या लिख देंगे? No. Okay, likewise you have to do this sums. I hope everybody सबको clear हो गया है. Okay, माइंड में अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है everybody. Then let's move to our next question. That is question number 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. The same thing you have to do in this question also. Okay, the same thing. What they are asking for? They are asking here that one equation has been given to you. आपको इसमें ये वैल्यू डालना है और देखना है कि आपको LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS मिल रहा है, क्या ये सॉल्यूशन सही है या गलत है. ठीक है, तो देखो n plus 5 is equal to 19. What is the equation here? And the value which you have to use is 1. The value which you have to use is 1. So here यहाँ पे देखो ये LHS है ये हमारा क्या है, RHS. सो LHS हम लेंगे, LHS इज इक्वल टू n+5. ओके, you have to see that n is equal to 1 while putting in this LHS side, either whether you are getting 19 or not. तो यहाँ पे हम 1 रखते हैं, 1 + 5 इज इक्वल टू 6 मिल रहा है. ओके, 6 मिल रहा है, लेकिन RHS कितना है, 19 है. RHS कितना है, 19 है. इट मीन्स आई कैन सी LHS हमें मिला है 6, RHS 19 है. देयरफॉर आई कैन से LHS इज नॉट इक्वल टू RHS. LHS इज नॉट इक्वल टू RHS. इसका मतलब what I can say is n is equal to 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Okay, what we have done in these kind of sums, what we have to do, n + 5 is equal to 19 is given, n is equal to 1 आपको वेरीफाई करना है कि वो सॉल्यूशन बन सकता है या नहीं बन सकता है. So first of all we will take LHS n + 5, then we will put the value of n here. 1 + 5 is equal to 6, that is LHS, and RHS has been given to you 19. So we can see here LHS and RHS are not equal. LHS and RHS are not equal. Hence we can say that n is equal to 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Okay, let's take one more example. 4p - 3 is equal to 13. 4p - 3 is equal to 13, and here you have to take p is equal to 0. Again same procedure, this is my LHS, this is my RHS. Okay, so LHS हम लेंगे यहाँ पे 4p - 3. इट मीन्स p का वैल्यू कितना लेना है, 0 लेना है. 4 0s are 0 - 3. 0 - 3 is -3, which is LHS. and RHS कितना दिया है, 13 दिया है. RHS is 13. So LHS is -3, RHS is 13. It means LHS is not equal to RHS. So what I can say is, therefore n is equal to, p is equal to 0 is not a solution of the given equation. Okay, it is not a solution of the given equation. Okay, likewise you have to do this, all these sums. I hope everybody understood all the things properly. Thank you.